Tackle boxes are no longer just for fishing. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some creative ways that you can use those containers in order to get organized, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm Lindsay with 𝐁𝐔𝐃𝐆𝐄𝐓, and if we're just meeting, welcome. On this channel, I'm here to help you get organized on a budget. If you're looking for some creative ways in order to get organized, you're going to love this video. I pulled together some awesome hacks in order to utilize tackle boxes and divided containers to organize your everyday items. So this first one is one of my all-time favorite hacks and has worked for us for years. Tackle box because it has all of the little divided sections so you can change it up with whatever size you need. This first way that I'm showing you is that you can organize things by type. So for example, I have all of the hair ties together, all of the clips together, and then all the bows together. I've recently really gotten into rainbow organizing, and that's exactly what I did in the second version. Now, whenever my daughter wants to find a purple bow or a pink bow, she can easily come to that compartment and pick out what she wants to wear. This is awesome for traveling as well because now everything is secured in one container, and whenever we travel somewhere, I just throw this in our bag and it works so amazingly. Into doing your nails at home, you might like this option. This is just a little box actually from the Dollar Tree from a little toolkit. I just put all my press-on nails divided out by type in this little container. For all of your technology needs, a tackle box is going to be awesome for that again. You can easily section it out by what type of cord it is, so that way it makes it really easy to find what you're looking for. This is that same kind of tackle box, and I actually use this for the letters for my letter board. I love this because it's now super easy to find the letter that I'm looking for instead of digging into a big pile of letters. And the other awesome thing about these tackle boxes is that no matter how many times you twist and turn it, the stuff is going to stay secured in its own little cubby. You can step up your organizing a notch by putting labels inside of each cubby so you know exactly what's in there as well. If you're liking these ideas so far, I'd love for you to hit that like button down below, and also make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future organizing videos. Now these organizers are actually from IKEA, but I wanted to include them because they're a great solution if you're looking for a divided container. They're super affordable, and I use these for a couple different things in my daughter's playroom. Here I'm just storing all of her little play cards. I've got all the memory games and card games easily accessible right inside this cubby. I'm also using it to store her Legos. I'm telling you again, rainbow sorting is the way to go. I went ahead and sorted out all of my daughter's Legos by color. Now obviously it's okay if they mix up in the container, but it looks really pretty, and that way if she's wanting to find a pink Lego or a purple one, it's going to be really easy for her to find what she's looking for. Now these cubbies do not move, so keep that in mind, but these are great affordable containers. This next one is from my favorite place, the Dollar Tree. With having a little girl, she has tons of little toys, so I wanted to put them in a tackle box so that way they could be easily accessible, but up and out of the way, so that way if we have little ones over to play, they wouldn't be able to get to them very easily. So I just sorted it out by likeness and color. And I love this little tackle box. It's just $1 from the Dollar Tree. And with all of the divided sections, when you toss and turn it around, they all stay in place. Now you can also use this cubby for several other uses. A good example would be to make this like a little first aid kit. So you could put all of your Band-Aids and Q-tips and things like that that you would need to easily access right inside of this container. This is also a great snack container for road trips. We've used this one in the past, and it works amazing to be able to have snacks easily accessible without having to use a ton of plastic baggies. Now, a few obvious ones are that you could use these to store different tools, so all your nuts and bolts and that kind of stuff. But another one that I really like to use these tackle boxes for is batteries. I don't know about you, but it's very easy to lose track of batteries. So I like to have mine all stored together in one spot and just divide them out by type of battery. Now, anytime we need a battery, we can just go to this container and find exactly what we need. It also helps us keep track of an inventory as well, so we know when we're running low on certain types of batteries. Like right now, we need some AA's. Now I wanted to include a couple other fun divided containers that aren't necessarily tackle boxes, but some great creative uses. This one is a super fun little play activity that I created for my daughter, and I actually included this in a video full of car play activities, all from the Dollar Tree. This is a great way to get your kids thinking about colors and sorting, and all you need is a pillbox, paper, and some pom-poms. Another one of my favorite containers is this one right here. I love the color of it, first off, but it has several different divided cubbies. Now I'm storing a lot of my crafting stuff in here, so I've got like all of my washi tape in here. So I went ahead and reorganized it and grouped them by color, so that way it's going to be really easy to find the exact color that I'm looking for. But you could use this again for so many different purposes. I like that the containers all snap together and it's really portable with having the handle as well. And then if you like having cards on hand, this one might be a great option for you to look into. But I actually keep all of my pre-made cards in here. Let's say I need a special occasion card. I can pull that right out and find the exact card that I'm looking for. But a fun little hack for you is on the side of this container, I actually just put some white paper so that way when it's up on the shelf, I don't see all the clutter of the colors behind it. I just see the clean white paper. If you're looking for more hacks in order to get your home organized, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now, and we'll see you in the next one.